gaano kagaling si Danny noon, 97, kasi yun yung your last year, no, in the UAP, which I would imagine is the peak, no, the peak of your UAP powers, no.
Okay, if you remember pag NU, I mean, at the NU at that time, di ba, NU would win maybe 4 of the 14 games, 2 of the 14 games. Nung 97, Monty kami matalo. So hindi pwede mangyari yun, di ba, na matatalo. And Danny siguro scored mga easily in the 18s or the 20s. Pero yun nga, ganun nakagaling kasi siya na talaga, siya yung focus. Sila Coach Jong, sila Coach Ron, grabe yung tendencies. Lahat na nung tendencies, sinabi na nila sa amin, pag nag-face up yan, pwede siya mag-jumper off the board, then alam mo na lahat ng moves. But even if alam mo yung moves, gumagawa pa rin siya. And yun, montik kaming matalo. At that time, pag matalo kasi NU and you're Lasal or you're the top team, sin yun di ba? Hindi dapat nangyayari. Yun that's why yung sinasabi nga ni Coach Jeff, yung 97, kung pa 98, if he stayed, then, ano na yun, NU would have easily been playoffs yun.
Final Four yun.
Oo, Final Four yun, sigurado. Kasi andun nakokompleto na Kumbaga, yung kay Danny I was laying the groundwork in 94, 95, and then kukuha ka na, di ba? Ito yung mga pieces na kailangan. Yun na yun, moving forward. Pero ang pinakamagandang ang ginawa nila Coach Jong nun, kinuha siya sa PBA.